Excuses pile up just like the clutter that we accumulate in our houses. But it's time to come clean. It's spring cleaning. Time to throw out all the excuses. Because it seems natural to clean out the old during this time of year, it's actually a great time to come face to face with our excuses for not getting fit and healthy. And I've got some solutions just for you, starting right now. Hey there, I'm Michele Jamison. Welcome to MJTV, where I will empower you to create positive change in your health, wellness, nutrition, fitness, weight loss, and mindset. And today I've got some solutions just for you to do some spring cleaning and throw out all the excuses for not getting fit and healthy. And real quick, before I give you my solutions, let me know in the comments below, what things do you do to throw out the excuses to get fit and healthy when springtime rolls around? And if this is your first time here, welcome. And I'm sure you're wanting to learn how to create positive change in your nutrition, fitness, wellness, mindset, and basically in making a lifestyle change, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Other than New Year's, there's probably no other time during the year that motivates us to make a fresh start like springtime does. When the warm breezes start blowing, oh man, we want to throw open the windows and let the rebirth all around us revitalize our homes and our spirits. So what's your excuse for not choosing health? I don't have time to eat right and exercise. This is likely one of the most common excuses. You're busy. You have to work all day or all night. You have to get kids to school. You have to cook dinner, go to the grocery store, mow the lawn, change the oil in the car, care for your aging parents. There is simply no time to eat right and exercise. Really? Consider this. If you do not eat right and exercise, you will almost certainly begin experiencing the illness and disease that comes from an inactive, unhealthy lifestyle. Sorry. When you begin experiencing symptoms, guess what? You'll have to make an appointment to see your doctor, drive to your appointment, wait to be seen, schedule additional tests at the hospital, and wait for your prescriptions to be filled at the pharmacy. And guess what? With chronic illness, this scenario will be played out month after month after month. And it takes a lot of time. Will you find the time in your busy life to see your medical issues? Yes, of course you will. You will make sure that you adjust your schedule and your life to accommodate your illness. So, big question. Why not adjust your schedule now then to accommodate the prevention of illness through proper nutrition and exercise? You do have the time. You just have to decide to use it. The truth is that if you do not make the time for proper nutrition and exercise, you will have to make the time for illness. And eating clean and exercising takes a lot less time out of your life than disease. Another excuse, I don't like to eat healthy and exercise. Again, a pretty common excuse, but it won't let you off the hook, sorry. Lots of people do not like to exercise or eat clean on a consistent basis, but they make themselves do it anyway. Do you like feeling tired? Do you like being overweight? Do you like having to undergo medical tests? Without proper nutrition and exercise, you will feel tired, be overweight, and become sick. So it comes down to choosing your dislike. I don't have enough energy to eat better and exercise. Well, if you are unfit, you likely have low energy. And when you don't have much energy, the last thing you can imagine is making better food choices and exercising. I get it. But until you start feeding your body the nutrients it needs and become more active, you will not have the energy you so long for. As you begin detoxing your body, fueling it properly, and exercising, you will start having more energy. You won't start feeling better until you detox and start moving. Here's one. It's just not the right time for me to start eating clean and working out. I'll start eating better and working out when, here they are, I get some decent exercise clothes. Summer vacation starts. The kids go back to school. Have you said these? I get my house organized. Let's see what else. Oh, work lets up. I have more time. Life calms down. Let's see. The kids get older. Oh, this is good. The weather warms up a little. And then there's, the weather cools down a little. Someday, just not today, it will never be the perfect time to start a fitness routine and clean up your diet. It just won't. You just have to start. Listen, surrender your excuses, okay? Decide to stop hiding behind your excuses. Make a clean sweep and toss those excuses right out. Everybody has excuses for not exercising and eating properly. The fit and healthy people around you choose to give up the excuses and just do it. That doesn't mean it's easy for them. It just means that they love feeling energetic, strong, healthy, and empowered enough to push in and get it done. You can be that way too. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below and I will sure help if I can. As always, if you need even more help, head over to the wonderful world of MicheleJamison.com. Once you're there, be sure to subscribe to our email list and become an MJ VIP. You'll get instant access to my latest empowering message to guide you to create positive change. You're also going to get some exclusive content, some special giveaways, and personal updates from me that honestly, I don't share anywhere else. Hey, listen, if you liked this video, hit the like button for me below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on MJ TV.